Okay, Helen, so what I've done is I've made a granny square, and I have 1, 2, 3 rows on it. So I know yours is slightly bigger than this, but this will work for every row as you're going round. So if we have a look at this one, I'll just pull that through to there. As we look at this one, you have your corner clusters. So this is where we have the 3 double crochets, a chain 1 and 3 double crochets. I think I've already put 2 in that one, silly me. And then as you go down the side, we have 1 on this instance, we've got 1 set, one hole in the side, if you will, and now we've just got a cluster of 3. And every time you go around now, if you are in the corner, you're going to do a corner cluster, so 3, chain 1, 3, and if you are in a side, you're going to do a set of 3. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do this next one together. Now, we're going to turn the work over, we're going to chain, we're going to turn the work over, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to put 2 double crochets into the space that's underneath the chain, and that is our first granny cluster. And then we're going to work our way this way around. So the next one is a corner, so no chain, straight into the corner with 3 double crochets, so 3 with a chain and 3 double crochets. So our corners are always going to have 3 double crochets, a chain and 3 double crochets. So every round you're going to do that in every corner. Then as you go up the side, between each set of clusters, you're going to make another set of clusters. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3 clusters along the side. So in these 2 spaces, we're going to, you see that one there and that one there, we're going to make a cluster. So a cluster is 3 double crochets. So no chains between them. So 1, 2, 3. In that one, going to the next one. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go into the next corner. So again, in the next corner, place 1, 2, 3, a chain because it's the corner, and another set of 3. Okay, and again, we're going to go along the side. We've got 2 spaces where we're going to put 3 double crochets in each of those spaces, no chains again. If you find the work feels tight, then you can put a chain between them. But with the hook size that you're using and the way that you've been working on your tension, I think you're going to be okay. Right, so we're back into a corner now. So again, in this corner, we're going to do a set of 3 double crochets, followed by a chain and another 3 double crochets. So that's 3, chain, and 3. And then again, 2 spaces down the side, so 2 sets of 3 double crochets. And another. And back to a corner again. So in the corner, 3 double crochets. by a chain and another 3 double crochets. And then each time you go around that, the sides are going to increase by one gap. So 3 double crochets. This is our last set of this round. 2, 3. Again, no chains. We're going to slip stitch straight into the top of the chain 3. So 2 double crochets are there. Yeah, that's the double crochet stitch. So that's the top of the chain 3. Okay. So every time you go around, you're going to get an extra hole on the side. So therefore, this time we did 2 sets along the side and then the corners, 2 sets, 2 sets. This time there's going to be 3. So if we look at it again, you've got 1, 2, 3. Then the next time there would be 4 down the sides and then 5 down the sides. So I will do this round again. And then hopefully that should be enough for you to be able to continue. If it's not though, please let me know. So we're going to, so we're working that way round. I've just slip stitched this way. So I'm turning it round. Am I right? Let me just make sure. I know we were working that way. So I've already turned it. Sorry, I was just making sure I turned it right. So I am I haven't turned it, that's right. So I am chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, turning the work, going straight into the stitch below, and I'm putting 2 double crochets. Sorry, that was really confusing me then. 1, 2. So we're going to go along again. We've got a space there. That is not our corner space. So we're going to put 3 double crochets into that. Three. And we're going to come to our corner, and in the corner 3 double crochets, a chain and 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, chain and 3. So as we go along this side, this is our first full side, isn't it? We'll just have a look at our spaces again. So we had 2 last time, so we're going to go into each one of those and put 3 sets of double crochets. So 3 granny clusters. So 1, 2, 3 double crochets, 1 granny cluster. Next one, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Next one, same thing, 3 double crochets. And then we get to the end and we are doing our corner set. So 3, chain 1, 3 more. And we're going to go down the side again. So again, we're going to have 3 sets of clusters down the side. 1, 2nd one, 3rd one, and then a corner, side ones again. Last corner. And then the last space before we join up. Oh, cut that out now. Open it again. I would now have to pull all that back and straighten that out, but for where we are to, there we go. Now, so again, you'll see we did 3 sets, 1, 2, 3 sets of single clusters up the sides. So we did 3 this time, so therefore the next row we'd have 4. So we've got 1 space, so 1 space there, another, 4. So the next go around will be 5 and 6 and so on until it's as big as you want it to be. And that's how you're going to keep on working. So you will chain 3, turn over, and then go back into that same space and then carry on working around. So hopefully that is enough to get you going again, and reminding you of the pattern. If not, let me know and we'll get that sorted. Okay, take care, bye.